today's video, we're going to be doing a little bit of a deep clean on the Miata, getting it ready for a car show we have this weekend. So we're going to start off by taking the front seats out because it's going to be so much easier to get a deeper clean, and then I can clean the seats individually once they're out of the car. But let's get started with that. Just saw, we took the seats out on both sides. Obviously in the last video we did the door cards, but now we are going to get the vacuum cleaner and take these nasty floor mats out, and then we're going to vacuum out both sides. How much dirt and debris is just in these compartment areas where the seats go. And then we'll reinstall the seat. Actually, no. Before we reinstall the seats, after all that, we're going to clean the dash and everything, make that all look pretty and everything. So, let's grab the vacuum cleaner and let's start the time lapse. Vacuuming up as much as we can. I know it's not perfect or anything. I was going to use carpet cleaner, like I said, but I'm just going to pass for now. I don't have any, so we're just going to continue the way we are right now. Got this side vacuumed, and then we got this side vacuumed the best we possibly can. Obviously, this is previous owner stuff that's happened with the carpet and everything. That's why I got floor mats in the first place, but everything's cleaned up the best it can. There's no loose dirt or anything. We're going to be taking the floor mats now and we're going to be cleaning them up. We got both of the floor mats all cleaned up. They got to dry since they're still wet. We're going to vacuum up the seats, get those all nice and ready to go. And then we can continue on cleaning the car. We're going to put all this back in and everything. So, let's vacuum the seats.
Every day I miss you in the most ordinary ways.
We just got done, finished cleaning the seats and everything. They look 10 times better than they did before, so now we're going to head back over to the car and clean the dash and the interior up. And then we're going to obviously reinstall all of this, and then that will be everything for now. Everything all cleaned up, just looking nicer. My interior wasn't too bad with the console and everything, so I kind of did more of a wipe down. A couple of things needed to be cleaned. Everything's all good now with it. We're going to go grab the seats and we're going to reinstall both of the seats.
I got lost tonight under the stars up in the sky. Directions hard to find under the stars up in the sky. I got lost tonight under the stars up in the sky. Directions.
Now, as you can see, we have got the seat back in. We've got the floor mat back in. It looks so much better like this, and I'm very happy that I cleaned it. Now we're gonna do the passenger side.
Living in the moment, living in the moment. Your head is on my shoulder, but never getting older. Baby, it's you and I. Stars in the sky. Oh, you and I. Yeah, we're stars in the sky.
And there is both the seat on both sides put in, both the floor mats back in. The interior looks so good now that it's clean and everything. Now the next step is going to be cleaning the outside of the car. So I'm going to pull it into the driveway and we're going to clean the car. So we've got the car pulled into the driveway like I said I was going to do. Obviously you can see there's little just dirt speckles across the car in little places and everything. But we're going to be cleaning it, making it look all nice and fresh for the car meet. As you can see, it's got the couple bits of dirt on the front bumper that we're going to be cleaning off. But we're going to throw a time lapse on with some music and you guys are going to watch me clean the outside of this thing.
Bang, 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 bang.
Yo, come on, let's go really up. Down chillin' with the homies, that'll really go. Got a bad chicken in what the going up? Better bring her up, while you looking like a snap. Put you in a car fight, like, better get the up. But another round, cause you get it up. I'ma put you in the dirt, cause I ain't gonna find you a bam. Yo, come on, let's go really up. Yo, come on, let's go really up. I'ma put you in the dirt, come on, let's go really up. Yo, come on, let's go really up. I'ma hit the dirt, come on, let's go really up. Yo, come on, let's go really up. I'ma put you in the dirt, come on, let's go really up. Come on, let's go really up. I'ma hit the dirt, come on, let's go really up. I just wanna hit the bar, I just wanna be the best, I just wanna get up. I ain't never trusted anybody else in my love. Yo, I don't go.
So we just finished up cleaning the car. As you guys just saw from the last clip, we were drying it off. I got everything all ready and prepared. Now my next video is gonna be a little bit different, but I hope you guys can enjoy it. It's gonna be a new step, a new try to see if you guys like that kind of content. But I hope you guys can like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Deuces!